In this video, we will learn about cells, the animal cells and the plant cells, and what is inside them. Now, what really is a cell? A cell is the building block of life, like Legos. When you stack them up, you can create a castle or a house. Just like that, cells, they create life. All living organisms are made up of cells. That means that you're made up of cells. Well, you can't really see cells because they're really, really small. They're microscopic, so you can't see them with your bare eyes. Now, a cell includes organelles. Well, these organelles, they have specific tasks that they have to do. Now, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria, and ribosomes. All of them, they are present in animal cells and plant cells both. But cell wall, chloroplasts, large central vacuoles, these organelles, they are only present in a plant cell. Let's look at the two diagrams of animal cell and the plant cell. These are simplified versions so that it is easy to understand. Let's break them down. First, let's start off with the animal cell. The animal cell includes the nucleus. It is the part of the cell that controls all the activities and contains the genetic material or the information of the cell. They are a fundamental part of the cell. It is like the brain of that. Moving on, we get to the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance that is inside the cell, and this is where the most chemical reaction happens. The cell membrane is a thin layer that surrounds the cell and controls what goes in and what goes out. It is like the security gate of the cell. The mitochondria are tiny structures where the respiration takes place. They release the energy for the cell. We know them as the powerhouses of the cell. The ribosomes, well, they're small structures that make proteins. Well, it's just the factory of protein. Now, moving on to the plant cell, a plant cell includes all of them: the nucleus, the cytoplasm, the cell membrane, the mitochondria, and the ribosomes. Where they do contain extra, the cell wall. Well, the cell wall is a rigid outer layer made of cellulose that supports the plant cell and keeps the shape. It is like a strong fence around the cell. It gives it structure. The chloroplast, well, they are the organelles that can carry out photosynthesis, and they have chlorophyll. Pretty much it captures the sunlight. It is an essential part of the plant cell. And the last, the large central vacuole. Well, a small vacuole is indeed present in animal cells, but this one is a large central vacuole. And this is the space that is filled with cell sap that helps keep the cell firm and stores the nutrients or wastes. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you understood everything from this video, and if you have any queries or any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. Like and subscribe if you want to know more about biology. Thank you.